You may think your hormones only affect your period or fertility, but the truth is, when your hormones are off balance, everything in your body is gonna feel it. That is your mood, your sleep, your skin, your digestion, and even how your body stores fat. Hi guys, my name is Nasteri and I help women heal and balance their hormones so they can have regular cycles and so that you can be able to conceive when you want to. That is naturally, peacefully, and with minimal interventions. Recently, I want to give you a short story. Recently, I met an amazing woman. She's a client I'm working with, and this amazing lady has been trying to conceive for 4 good years. But you won't believe this. Her cycles are perfectly regular. That is every month, right on time. Yet, she's still struggling with hormonal imbalance. And at first, she could not understand it. This is what she told me. Terry, how can I have a regular period but still have hormonal imbalance? And I told her something most women have never been taught. Regular periods don't always mean balanced hormones. You can have a period every month, or your cycle can still be very regular, but you can be having inflammation, insulin resistance, thyroid imbalances, or even estrogen dominance. And especially if you've ever used any contraceptives, especially the hormonal contraceptives. And all of these, they silently affect your fertility, your energy, and even your mood. So picture this, your hormones are like a symphony, and each hormone, that is estrogen, progesterone, thyroid, insulin, the cortisol, they all gonna play as an instrument. And when one of these goes off tune, the entire body is gonna feel it. And that is why you may notice some symptoms. For example, you're having random mood swings or anxiety for no reason. You're experiencing low energy even when or even after resting. For example, when you wake up, you're feeling so fatigued and you wonder, was I not asleep the whole night? Like, where has my energy gone? This is a symptom showing you that you're having some hormonal issues, or something that a lot of women face, weight that just won't move. And this was me. And but for me, it was because I was using the hormonal contraceptives and my weight kept going up, even though my plate remained, like the size remained the same, but my weight wouldn't just move. It kept going up and up and up, and no matter what I did, no matter the exercises that I utilized, this weight won't just move. If the weight is not going away, then your hormones are off balance. Also, if you have breakouts or hair thinning, this is also a telltale sign that your hormones are off and something needs to be done. Or in some cases, you're having difficulty conceiving even with a regular cycle, and this is something that I've seen in so many women who are reaching out to me and they want to be able to conceive, and I'm so happy to work with all of you. All of these ones are not random issues. They are your body's way of saying, hey dear, something needs deeper attention or something needs to be done. So step one in healing is always detoxing. You have to start with a detox and then clear the inflammation, and then you need to also regulate your insulin. And this does not mean you have you have diabetes or something like that, but your insulin hormone is very vital, or it directly impacts your fertility. So I've created a gentle detox plan. This is something that I and other women have done, and we've seen a lot of improvements in our fertility, in our cycles regulating, coming back. If we didn't have a regular cycle, we've started ovulating, the weight has gone down, the libido has started coming up, and we've been seeing a lot of good testimonies from this gentle detox plan. It's gonna help you reset and start balancing your hormones naturally, and you can get it in the description box or from the first pinned comment. You're gonna find a link in there. And if you're ready to go deeper, I invite you to join our Hormone Healing Academy. It is where I walk women step by step through restoring their cycles, boosting fertility, and you're gonna be able to feel like yourself again. And the link also for this one is in the description. And before you go, make sure you join my free email list, and that's where I share real practical tips on how to balance your hormones and regulate your cycle naturally. And you're gonna find the link also in the description or on my profile if you're watching from TikTok.